This video is represented by techbird.com.
Hi Jack. What happened? Are you all right? You look sad.
Oh hi Josephine. Sit here. Yes. I am little bit upset. I don't understand what to do. God knows what will happen.
But why are you talking like that?
I have been looking for a good website for many days, but I do not understand which one is right for me.
For what purpose are you interested?
Who does digital marketing, website development, guest posting, and writing? Any idea you have, please share with me.
Why don't you go to techbird.com?
Techbird.com. This website is genuine.
Yes. Techbird.com is genuine website. Not only this, they do their work very well.
Oh really? I just visited this website today. By the way, thanks Josephine for come here and solving my problem.
It's my pleasure. Now I have to leave.
Hey you. Yes you, what are you waiting for? Go to techbird.com and give them a chance to serve you. And thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.